Hi, it's Fasano Tampa Tim. I'm here out in the Flatwoods area, Hillsborough County, and my voice, I've still got a little bit of laryngitis, and I'm in an area that encompasses a good 85 to 100 miles of hiking trails, about 300,000 square acres of undeveloped land, which the Hillsborough River in its wild stage cuts through it from the Hillsborough River State Park to the Dead River Junction and through Sargent Wilderness Park and in here through Flatwoods. This is an area that would be prime for the Sasquatch or skunk ape. And after reading the Bigfoot Field Researcher's Guide or Handbook, it was advised to always wear the same type of hat with a unique color, because the creatures may be observing you as well, and it's one way they can identify that you're the strange-looking thing that they are indeed seeing. And once they are convinced that you actually mean them no harm, then they may approach you. So I've decided to take that tactic. You can see how deep into the forest this goes. I'm going to continue. I'm about a mile deep into it already. And I'm essentially searching. It's raining, which is good. We need rain. I'm essentially looking for forest anomalies and structures. And I'm going to see what I can do. In case you were wondering, this is an old-style Tampa Bay Buccaneers hat. It was actually autographed by Sam Weish, who used to coach in Cincinnati. He was here briefly in the early 90s. And, well, I'm telling you, if this don't scare him off, I don't know what will. We've got an arch. And then you've got the classic break. Not sure. Is that plane again? This looks like a big circle thing. Yeah. There's my buddy. I always get the planes. And these sticks pointing off. Alright, it just revealed. Look, I don't claim to be Daniel Boone, but it is sort of raining. Most people would think this is cheating, but I have an umbrella. I have been a little sick, so I know that's cheating. Not Daniel Boone. There's my tripod. You would be proud of this, though. I'm off trail. What I learned, because I've gotten lost, I don't have a GPS yet, is I point the base of it towards the trail. So I could do all my circling around, get totally lost, find my tripod, and it'll point me right back to my trail. Otherwise, I'm spending the night out here, and that's not good. So we've got a broken, we've got something that appears to be leaning against another tree, and interesting that these sticks, they're all laying at the same angle. I mean, see that? Right to left, right to left. Right to left, right to left. Some kind of pathway. I don't know. And then that's right where it curves off, and you see the two coming off that big hole. Both of them parallel structures, and going right, left, pointing right towards my umbrella. So, what does all this mean? It's pretty interesting. I like the sounds of nature. Beats road rage, doesn't it? Seriously. Turning on the news, hearing how the world economic system is collapsing. Let's just pull for our new president. I didn't vote for him, but let's pull for him. You know. Your dog's out of the race. Pull for your buddies. Anyway, let's get back to the trail.